Hi everyone, Andrew Williams here with PW Wealth. We've got a fantastic series that we're starting for you at PW. If you want to build wealth and you want to generate more income, join us at our virtual event. We're going to teach you how you can be very successful with your Airbnb or your short-term rentals. We're going to show you how to make more income than you've made before. Because right now, with a 2 bedroom property or unit on Airbnb, you can generate about $21,000 a year. That's $21,000 on one unit. Well, guess what? I have multiple units and I'm earning a 6-figure income from Airbnb. And we can teach you in how 2 weeks or less how to make your Airbnb strategy and your Airbnb platform very successful. We also have 70% occupancy, which is a fantastic number, and 90% of guests are satisfied or very satisfied on the Airbnb platform. So join us so that we can teach you how to generate a fantastic secondary income or a principal or main source of income through Airbnb and short-term rentals. Join us. We look forward to seeing you. Get registered now.